Hi, I'm Cathal Fitzpatrick from VMware. At VMware, we're working with a wide range of partners to help mobile operators transform their radio access networks or RANs from closed proprietary environments to open programmable networks that can be used to deploy new services. Central to this approach is the VMware RAN Intelligence Controller, or RIC, that opens the RAN to programmability and can be used to host applications provided by a wide range of innovative companies who are members of our RIC Developer Partner Program. One such company is Viavi Solutions, and I'm delighted to be joined today by Chris Murphy, Regional CTO EMEA at Viavi, and my colleague Henry Vinton, who's worked extensively with Viavi to help integrate Viavi's applications on the RIC platform. And big welcome to you both.
Thank you.
And Chris, we might start off by maybe if you could give us an introduction to Viavi and your background in RAN application development.
Certainly. Thank you, Cathal. So for 15 years, we've had in Viavi a geolocation solution as part of our assurance products. And what we do is we collect very granular, rich data from the mobile networks, and we're able to estimate the location of where the calls are and understand the performance of the radio, such as the where's the coverage good and poor, where is there interference, where's the demand coming from. And that's a very powerful enabler for a lot of use cases, for example, RAN engineering, optimization, and customer care. But we can also use that as a foundation of automated optimization. And we've got an intent-driven digital twin-based optimizer, which is quite flexible in the use cases it can deliver. So it made sense for us to work with VMware as part of the SDK Development Partnership Program and bring the geolocation as a foundational application, which enables improvements to many different use cases, as well as our optimized app to the ecosystem.
Very good. So I know there's quite a broad relationship between VMware and Viavi, and I know we're working together to design a RIC Testbed-as-a-Service solution. So Henry, can you tell us how that solution benefits the wider ecosystem?
Absolutely, thank you. So yeah, on that one, there's really two sides to that opportunity. One is our developer ecosystem, and the other being the mobile operators, right? And for the developer ecosystem, it's all about streamlining development, having access to the RIC and the sophisticated tools that Viavi brings straight out of the box for our partners is amazing. It enables them to get started right away, get moving, and show the impact of their data using synthetic data in a simulated environment is very powerful and appreciated by our development partners. On the other side, for the mobile operator, it's all about streamlining and modernizing operations. So having a testbed as a service will enable them to quickly pre-qualify applications that they might want to bring onto their network, and then do app benchmarking across different apps trying to achieve the same function. So we see this as a very powerful tool for operators. And we think we can take, today it takes 18 to 24 months to get these applications deployed on a traditional SON network. We think that we can cut that dramatically to months, maybe even weeks. So that's
fantastic. And Chris, I know we showcased the Testbed-as-a-Service solution together on our booth at MWC in Barcelona this year, and it seemed to get a great response.
Indeed, I was there on your booth presenting this solution, and it's got a lot of footfall, a lot of questions coming in, a lot of interest in different types of customers, as Henry outlined there. And in fact, I've seen the Testbed-as-a-Service from the customer point of view, because we worked together with you on a Plugfest at the i14Y Lab in Germany last year, where we were integrating our geolocation app onto the testbed. So it's I could see in crystal clear quality the value of having that capability, because as an app developer, you want to have access to a real live commercial network in order to develop your apps. But of course, you can never have access to a real network like that. So the testbed as a service is a fantastic proxy for that, to allow you to develop and test your app and work out the problems and solve them before you take them to the customer.
Very good. And I know we're also working together to provide the RIC and their test environment to TIP's project Ariane. Can you tell us about that project?
Yeah, it's a very exciting project. It's kicked off in January this year, based in the UK, funded by one of the UK government departments, as you say, led by TIP, and focusing on a number of use cases, including traffic steering, power saving, as well as of quality of service optimization, as well as looking at things like conflict mitigation. So again, we've got the combined power of VMware and Viavi with this as a test bed for developing and proving out these applications. So an exciting opportunity.
Yeah, it really sounds great. So are there any events coming up where operators can meet you to learn more about your RIC applications and your test services?
Indeed, yes. There's a number of events coming up where both VMware and Viavi are going to be there. So, for example, TM Forum's DTW Ignite is coming up in Copenhagen from the 18th to the 20th of June. And also in Tokyo, we've got Interop from the 12th to the 14th of June.
Super. So anyway, that's all fantastic. So thank you so much, Chris, for joining us today. And thank you to Henry. And for anyone out there who wants to learn more about the RIC provided by VMware and the applications provided by Viavi, please check out our website. So thank you for joining us.